The world is changing so fast with all this new technology. What if I can't keep up? My job might be at risk.
This looks promising. Maybe I should give it a shot.
A few minutes later.
Hello. I was looking at your artificial intelligence and machine learning course. Can you please tell me more about it?
Absolutely. Our course covers the latest AI technologies, hands-on projects, and expert guidance to help you master AI and ML.
The next day.
This is amazing. I'm really getting the hang of AI and ML now.